Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Google Chrome in under 2 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, then under Languages, click on Language. Here, you'll see a list of available languages. To add a new one, click Add Languages. Now select the language that you want from the list, and then hit Add. For example, I'm adding Spanish. You'll see it in the list of languages. To make your new language default, click on the three dots next to it and select Move to the top or display Google Chrome in this language. Now your Chrome will display in the language that you have selected. Finally, to apply the changes, click Relaunch at the bottom. Chrome will restart and the new language will be active. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Google Chrome. Isn't that easy? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more quick tips. Let me know in the comments what language you've selected. Thank you for watching and see you next time.